Zendrop tutorial for Shopify Dropshipping, Zendrop Dropshipping for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and for today's video, I will show you a quick step-by-step tutorial on how you can easily create your Shopify store and connect it to Zendrop for your dropshipping business. So, the first thing that you need to do is create your own Shopify online store. So over here, to start your free trial, you just need to enter your email address here and then just click the start free trial button. So once you sign up and log into your account, you just need to create store name here. So for example, for today's tutorial, I will just go ahead and name it as a test tutorial 1. So let's just wait for the setup here. So once you're done, you'll be redirected to this page. This is our home dashboard. And as you can see here, we have our setup guide. So we need to set up our store, add our first product. So as you can see here, everything is new here since we just signed up and we just created our store. So the second thing that we do once we set up our Shopify store, then let's go ahead and go to Zendrop. So just go to zendrop.com, and this is the Zendrop homepage. As you can see that Zendrop has over 250,000 users, and also they can provide you 24/7 support, and they also offer fast shipping, automated drop shipping. So there's no need for you to wake up every time there's an order because you can just set up everything automatically so that even though you're sleeping, then someone order, the selling process or system still ongoing. And also you can see here they have a US fulfillment. So you can ship from US warehouse, and a trusted US supplier will just take 2 to 8 days to the end customer. And also you have a real-time analytics feature as well that you can access. And the most important thing, you can also have your custom branding. So you can customize your winning product to set yourself apart from the competition with private labeling and custom packaging on any product in your catalog. So you also have your subscription boxes and also the Zendrop Select. So here you can also sign up for free since Zendrop is also offering a free trial. So as you can see here, they also have 5-star experience from their users, which is really good. So down here, you can see their pricing. So they have these 3 plans, which is the free plan, the pro plan, and the plus plan. And of course, with the plus plan, you can get everything here, all the advanced feature as well. And you can also try the 7-day free trial. So let me just go ahead and try this 7-day free trial. Let's see if everything is for us and if we feel comfortable using it. So here to start your free trial, you just need to fill out the information here. Just enter your name, your email, your password, and then your preferred contact method, and then just sign up. All right, and with that, we successfully sign up. And after you sign up, you will be redirected to this page. So here, as you can see, you can upgrade to a free 7-day trial to Zendrop. Plus, you can unlock the express shipping, get a custom branding and auto fulfillment, and also other exclusive features. So you can just go ahead and start your free 7-day plus trial over here. But I would just go ahead and click this no thanks, I'm not interested. All right, and after that, you'll be redirected to the main dashboard of Zendrop. So here it will ask you to connect your store to Zendrop. So you can choose from Shopify, WooCommerce, and also Commerce HQ. But for today's tutorial, we are using Shopify. So let me just go ahead and click Shopify here. And then we just need to enter our Shopify store URL. So let me just go ahead and go back here to our Shopify, and then I will just copy this URL over here. And then let me just go ahead and paste it here. And then let's just click connect. All right, so let's just wait for the load to finish over here. So it will bring us to the Shopify website. And then over here, we just need to install the app inside our Shopify store. So we need to install the Zendrop. So go ahead and click install app. And then let's just wait for the load to finish over here. All right, and it will bring us back to the Zendrop website. So as you can see here, we can now start to find a product that we want to sell to our Shopify store. Since our Shopify store successfully synchronized inside or integrated Zendrop account. So over here, as you can see, you can select a product from the Ship from USA, Shop Trends, or you can also shop some pets product. But the thing that I do here is that I will just go ahead and go to all categories and then just select it and then just go ahead and look for the categories here of the product that you want to sell inside your Shopify store. So since the Shopify store that I just created is for clothing, so I will just go ahead and find some clothing products here. So let me just go ahead and go to women's clothing down here. All right, so here's the result of the woman's clothing. So just go ahead and look for the clothes that you want to sell inside your Shopify store. So let me just go ahead and select this one. Let me just open it. All right, so here's the product name here and also the description and the cost of the product, and also as you can see here the different shipping method. So if you want this product, you can just go ahead and sell this product, just add your markup from its original price, and then just go ahead and click add to import list if you are interested to have that product added to your Shopify store. So once you selected the product, let me just go back to our find product. So let me just go ahead and add this one to my list as well. And then once you added product to your list, just go ahead and go to the import list located here on the left-hand side. So just click import list and you will see all the product that you added to your list over here. And then what you can do is that you can just go ahead and click the import to store so that this product will be added to your Shopify store automatically. So just go ahead and click this import to store. Let me just go ahead and check this box. And then the last one, import to store. All right, so our product imported successfully. Let's just go ahead and go back to our Shopify store. All right, so as you can see here, the add your first product already mark check since we successfully added our product. So let's just go ahead and select the product here. So as you can see, our product has been imported inside our Shopify store, and then you can just click on it if you want to see this one. So this is now the product that we just imported. As you can see here, we have the title, the description, and also we have the images as well of the different variety of these clothes. So you can just go ahead and also check the preview. And then as you can see here, you have this preview here. So you have your name and also the color available, the size, and going down, you can also see the description of the product here, the specification. So everything has been automatically imported from Zendrop to your Shopify store. And there is no need for you to do anything else, but just to click one button, which is the import button, for you to add it to your Shopify stores. But of course, you can also do some changes here. You can edit this one. If you want to make use of other picture as the first photo that will display here, you can change that one. Everything here can be customized. So to do that, you just need to go back to previous page, and over here, you can do the changes. So as you can see here, we can change the first photo that will display. Click this one and drag it here. And that will be the first photo that will show up in your product page. So everything here can be customized, as you can see. So that's how easily you can connect your Zendrop to your Shopify online store. And I hope that you learned something today. And if you have any question, just comment down below. And thank you so much for watching.